In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Telegram downloaded files in PC. Now, open your Telegram app and go to click those three lines on the top left corner and then click on Settings. Then click on Advanced. Now, here is where you can see the second option, Download Path. Now, click on it. Now, this will tell you where your downloaded files go to. As you can see, the first option, Telegram folder in system downloads, meaning that all your downloaded files will go to downloads folder. Now you can click save, and you can also open this button which says ask download path for each file. Now with this you can control where your files will go when you download them. You can click open, and anytime that you download file from Telegram, it will ask you where that file will go to. Guys, that's how to find Telegram. That's how to find Telegram downloaded files in PC. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one.